Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a very small, tiny Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are enjoying the month of August. And it's raining, so it's good for the AC units in the house. So hopefully everybody's doing great. I only bought 11 items. One of the items I already took out because I needed to unravel my hair, which I did. It was just a regular comb with the metal tail. So that was one of them. Sorry for the noise if you hear any. I had went and got the Stronger and Soft 4 toilet tissues. That's going to be downstairs. I thought these socks were super cute. Also got the no-show socks. I love the watermelon. And then this one just had pink stripes on. I bought some straws. I'm going to eventually switch out from buying, I buy these for my smoothies that I drink every morning. I'm going to get those metal straws eventually. Hopefully sometime before the year's out, I'll be able to find some of those so that we can try to save the turtles. I know this is very dangerous. I still am trying to figure out why our stuff is in the ocean to begin with. At one point I thought they was throwing trash from outer space, but God doesn't know. I just knew in my mind here in Florida that we had a landfill, and that's what's creating the mountains that we have here in Florida that you put in the ground. Never in the ocean. I never thought of that. So that was just really interesting to find out all of this stuff. Unless it's these cruise ships and other ships that are doing this where they're just throwing stuff in the ocean, which is very, very dangerous for our sea creatures, and anybody who's a seafood lover should be very concerned because this is the stuff that the shrimps and the lobsters are consuming, and we're eating garbage back from them. They're already salvaged. They're just eating trash from the bottom, and we're eating them. So imagine what kind of effect we're getting from our DNAs and other things that's in the ocean that we eat. That's plant-based as well. You know, sea moss, seaweed. There's a lot of stuff that we do eat from the ocean that you don't think of that also consumes the same pollution. Also bought these goodies. This one has 3 different designs, 3 different types. This is like an emergency kit. So I'm going to put this in my travel bag for Jamaica. Also bought this because my 20-year reunion was coming up. I had an idea of doing my hair some kind of way, but it failed. So I'm just going to put a really nice wig on. This is a sleek brush for my kids. I went and picked that one up because they lost theirs when we was traveling. I bought this for my youngest son to create patterns and designs. Hopefully he'll enjoy that. And the last item will be the Glade Hawaiian Breeze. Just picked it up because I saw it. And that was my tiny itty bitty haul, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying August, heading to September, and that everything's going well. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.